Contohnya no lam soba ani channel lo, kai tamu no norok ani channel no subscribe khlaya ko angka subscribe khlai ready, angka tal job advertisement ta online information related video sanam. Angka phadi tini kaisa ketal notification alai nai, o notification angka Indian Railway ni bukhakte rezakha, angka norok video no paithak jarate nai tong di kahapka saimana ni bagai, angka phadi official notification alai na, omo khai to official notification. Or notification kangkai Government of India, Ministry of Railway, Railway Recruitment Board ni bukhakte rezakha notification or an ID notification number angka 05/2024 kaisa takisa angka 06/2024 or a non-technical popular category NTPC jagao graduate undergraduate post tongo kangkai kaini post tongnai kaisa angka je graduate khlaijak takisa angka undergraduate abo norok online apply ma khlainai o jagao naidi graduate post ni bagai kangkai date jakha norok 14 tarik September ni simi apply khlai manai abo last date kangkai 13 tarik October omong kangkai graduate post je graduate khlaijak rok ni bagai post or naidi name of the post tongo chief commercial cum ticket supervisor pay scale jakha 6 tayo jagao naidi initial pay tongo tai age limit kangkai 18 isimi 36 rijakha or total post 1736 ta post tongo total kai to 8113 ta post tongo jagao 5 ta post tongo abunai naidi station master rok tongo junior account assistant kam typist rok tongo je graduate khlajak noroko post ni bagi apply khlai manai ta kaisa tongo abo khai undergraduate abo kangkai norok class 12 rok pass kangkai norok oro je post tongmai mane apply khlai manai amo kangkai 21 tarik ni simi chengkha chengnai abo September 21 tarik last date to 20 tarik October o jagao total post 3445 ta tongo commercial kam ticket clerk ni bagai naidio jagao 2022 ta post tongo o je undergraduate ongka 4 ta post age limit purijak tongo 18 isimi 33 years hypernosine ST candidates rokong kangkai to relaxation manai or undergraduate post tongo takisa graduate post tongo abo 990 online apply khlaina ni date rok 990 norok tomono qualification mili khai to norok apply khlainai mono je post tongo kaini post abo undergraduate ba graduate post no tongo kainai oro kangkai standard medical fitness oro naijaknai norokni vision standard tai medical standard tongo A2 A3 B2 C2 omahaike rijak tongo abo norok naidi je qualification kai to kaisa to graduate ni takisa angka undergraduate oro exam nai abo angka CBT computer based test exam nai mano jakawa examination fee angka sini SC ST candidate tai female candidate rok ni bagai angka 250 rupees norok jefro register khlayo hayake jefro online apply khlayo afro norok 250 rupees rimarinai norok tomung norok ni qualification mili khai norok interested tongkhangka apply khlaina musongkai ta apply khlaina di bhaike apply khlaina angka jefro date bhaike angka ango video ni description apply khlaina ni link rinai tai o PDF no bang rirwana te official website no norok thangi visit khlaina di abo to short notification je detail notification phaike angka bo ango video ni description no PDF free rinai tai apply khlaina ni link bo rinai o jagao naidi 21 tarik ni simi changnai graduate undergraduate te graduate kai tirin bagam sunong sito jotono no hambai